Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the Ferret Trough in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Ferret is one of the animals in Heartopia, and then you can unlock the ferret only if you have found the trough. You can fill the trough with the food that the ferret likes. And then this is the Ferret Trough guys. I'm going to show you where you can exactly find this trough. Okay, you can go to this area. It's near the Rosy River. Okay, this is the Ferret's Trough location. And then you can fill the trough. Okay, and these are the food that they like. And I'm going to feed them with this fish. Okay, all right. Once you fill the trough, you will be able to interact with the ferret. But where is it? It's right here, but it's right here a few minutes ago. Okay, this is the ferret. Oh no, this is not ferret. Oh yeah, this is ferret, sorry. And then you can interact with the ferret. Oh, he doesn't want to play with me. Let's try it again. And yeah, okay guys, that's how you can find the Ferret's Trough in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!